Alright, so we're just pulling up to the billboard. I don't know how weird it's gonna be having like a famous person on Sunset with the drone, but we'll find out. If you can climb up onto the front platform in front of that shit, it would be crazy. My boy Jordan just hit me up. He is Machine Gun Kelly's videographer, photographer, director. There's a billboard on Sunset that we're gonna go get a drone boomerang. Machine Gun Kelly, he's in a movie called The Dirt. It's about Mötley Crüe, and it's a big ass billboard on Sunset, so he's pretty stoked. So they just hit me up to see if I can come through. There's a lot of traffic. I don't know how weird it's gonna be having like a famous person on Sunset with the drone, but we'll find out.
Okay.
And so they're just about to get here. Fucking dope. What's happening, man?
Pretty good. Oh, good to see you.
I mean, you can really send it if you want to scale that shit. See that ladder right there? It's got like a grate over the top of it, so it's like locked up. Okay. Key to it.
Whoa. About to go pose next to the Tommy Lee version of my face.
Fucking hard. Kel's about to climb up the ladder. We'll get the drone ready. We'll shoot it up, get the shot, get the fuck out of here.
Are we asking or are we just doing it?
Yeah,
I mean,
they say
I'm not
no.
one to ask for permission.
Trying to figure out how to do this shit with the power lines. It's gonna be an issue. Look up at the drone!
On the Sunset Strip!
That shit was tight. Boom.
How'd it go?
That was great. Got the shot. I gotta follow it. No. Yes. And just like that, we're done. Congrats, bro. Shit was sick. Fucking climb that bitch.
Good shit, boy. That's how you send it. That's how you send it.